Remember back when we were kids and all the station wagons were super boring and beige and disgusting and nobody really wanted one? Well, my oh my, how times have changed. Audi knocked it out of the park with this RS6 Avant. This one is finished in Nardo Gray, as you can see there, and it's got the black honeycomb pattern seats. Just gorgeous. And you can see 1,394 miles on this 2023 Audi. It's got all the tech you could want to. It's got some insane tricks that the headlights do. I'm not gonna be able to show you that on this video, but it's awesome. You should look that up too. It's got all the nice touchscreen, the navigation. Of course, we had boost rocking on the radio there. There's the backup camera, but it also, you can see off to the side, has 360 camera as well. Touchscreen even for the HVAC controls, and the shifter on this thing's just so cool. Up top, of course, you've got all the buttons for the soft closed doors. It actually does have that too. And then the nice sized sunroof as well. Climbing into the back seat, it's got more of the honeycomb pattern as well as heated seats for the second row of seats. Cup holders there in the armrest. You can see there are the heater controls, again, another screen for that. In the back, it is a hatch or a wagon, so tons and tons of space back there too. You're gonna love this RS.